Locate the hood latch to release the hood. Next, the upper bay tech will move to the front of the vehicle to raise the hood up. Once the hood is raised up, the upper bay tech will locate and remove the oil cap, calling out, "Hood is up, oil cap is off, clear to drain on bay number." Place the oil cap on the hood latch. This ensures that the hood will not close without the oil cap being put back. Next, the upper bay tech will place the fender covers on either side of the vehicle, completely covering the fender. This ensures that no fluids can spill on the paint, no hoses can rub on the paint, and no tool may come into contact with the painted surface, causing damage to the customer's vehicle. The upper bay tech will now pull all the parts and samples for the CSA. These parts may include air filter, PCV valve, power steering fluid, transmission fluid, cabin filters, and an inspection of the wiper blades. Once all parts and fluid samples are pulled, the upper bay tech will call out, "Parts and samples are up, bay number." The upper bay tech will now perform the fluid check. Visually inspect and top off all fluids unless specified not to top off. These fluids include brake fluid, power steering fluid, windshield washer fluid, coolant overflow reservoir, and transmission. Do a visual inspection of the battery post looking for corrosion. Note: when inspecting the brake fluid, do not top off, but note on work order. As the upper bay tech visually inspects and tops off each fluid, he or she must call out the status of the fluid. For example, if the tech is checking the power steering fluid and finds it to be full, then he or she would call out, "Power steering is full, bay number." If the upper bay tech were to find the power steering fluid low, the upper bay tech would call out, "Power steering fluid is low, bay number." Before adding power steering fluid to the reservoir, the upper bay tech must first call out, "Clear to add to the power steering fluid, bay number." Once all hood-related services have been performed and the CSA has indicated the recommendations have been completed, the upper bay tech must return all parts back to their proper place.